Tonight's clash in the Indian Premier League features Punjab Kings taking on Delhi Capitals in a high pressure encounter with playoff implications building up. Good evening, everyone, and welcome back. Tonight, we have got a massive showdown in the IPL, Punjab Kings versus Delhi Capitals. Two explosive batting lineups, quality pace attacks, and plenty of pressure as the tournament enters the crucial phase. Who has the stronger 11? Which players could decide the game? And what should fans expect tonight? Let's break it all down. Punjab Kings have shown flashes of brilliance this season, especially with their aggressive batting approach. Meanwhile, Delhi Capitals have looked more balanced recently, with contributions coming from both batters and bowlers. This match could heavily influence the mid-table race, making every over extremely important. Now, let's talk about the pitch. If tonight's surface is batting friendly, expect a high scoring contest with plenty of boundaries. But if the pitch slows down later in the evening, spinners and cutters could become very effective during the middle overs. The toss may play a huge role here. Chasing could be preferred because of possible dew conditions. For Punjab Kings, the biggest strength is their fearless batting. If their openers get going in the power play, PVKS can put any bowling attack under pressure very quickly. Their middle order also has serious finishing ability, which makes them dangerous in the last 5 overs. Bowling, however, remains the key question. Can they control runs in the death overs? That could decide the match tonight. Delhi Capitals, on the other hand, look slightly more balanced as a unit. Their batting lineup has experience and stability, while their bowling attack has the ability to pick wickets regularly. DC's biggest advantage could be their spin department in the middle overs. If they can break partnerships at the right time, they will gain control of the game. Here are the matchups to watch tonight. PBK's power hitters versus DC's death bowlers. Delhi's top order against Punjab's new ball attack. The middle over spin battle could completely shift momentum. And of course, fielding pressure moments, dropped catches can change everything in T20 cricket. For Punjab Kings, strong power play batting, better execution in death bowling, avoid middle order collapses. For Delhi Capitals, early wickets with the new ball, control the middle overs, take the game deep while chasing. This one honestly feels very close. Punjab Kings may have more explosive batting power, but Delhi Capitals possibly look more balanced overall. If PVKS dominate the power play, they can take the game away quickly. But if DC survive the early pressure, they might control the match in the later stages. So, who are you backing tonight? Punjab Kings or Delhi Capitals? Drop your predictions in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more IPL match previews, analysis and post match breakdowns. Enjoy the game.